Hey everyone! We're going to walk you through how to record video on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera using the My Home app. Begin by opening the My Home app on your smartphone. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Select your camera. From the main dashboard of the My Home app, tap on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera to access its live feed. Check camera status. Ensure that the camera is online and providing a live view. If the camera is offline, check your internet connection or the camera's power supply. Start recording. In the live feed view, look for the video camera icon. This is usually located on the screen's toolbar. Tap this icon to start recording video. Monitor recording. Once you tap the record button, you should see a timer or a red dot appear, indicating that recording is in progress. Keep the app open while recording to ensure it continues. To stop recording, tap the video camera icon again. The app will stop capturing video and the recording will be saved automatically. To view your recorded video, navigate to the playback section in the My Home app. Here, you can find all video recordings stored either locally on the SD card or on the cloud, depending on your settings. That's all there is to it. You now know how to record video on your Xiaomi Mi 360 camera.